Today's topic is haloarenes, aromatic halogen compounds. Halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons in which the halogen atom fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine is directly attached to an aromatic ring are called aryl halide या haloarenes. Let us now to discuss about the topic. We write aromatic compound. It is a benzene ring. Now a substitute attached to fluorine. Now this is phenyl C6H5F. Now this compound name is fluorobenzene. Now to see hybridization, in here you see that carbon is attached to a 1, 2, 3 sigma and 1 pi. So here we sp2 hybridization in this carbon. So you know that when a sp3 hybridization, a carbon is directly attached to a 4 sigma bond, and you see here C carbon and a double bond, a single bond and a substitution F. So this carbon is attached to a 3 sigma and 1 pi. So here sp2 hybridization. So you point this sp2 hybridization is present in a haloarenes, and haloalkane carbon is sp3 hybridized. Now come to this ring. It is a chlorobenzene, and you see where we put a double bond, so single bond, double, single, double, single, double. So it is a ring structure. Now we write simply C6H5Cl. Now come to next one. We write IUPAC name, so we put numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So where we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know that Br is a functional group, so we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So IPC name of this compound is, one number is attached to a Br, 1 bromo, and 4 number is methyl, so 4 methyl, or ring is benzene, 4 bromo, 1 bromo, 4 methyl benzene. Now you already learned class 11. It is a toluene. So we write also here 4 bromo toluene. Both are IUPAC name of this compound. Now we write a common name, so we use ortho meta para position. So you know ortho meta para, it is a main ring. Now I used here a toluene, so ortho meta para position belongs to Br, to P para bromo toluene is its common name. So you know that ortho meta para. Suppose this is a main ring toluene. Now single, double, single, double, single, double. So this is a ortho, is a meta and a para position. So here we got it. It is a para position, para bromo toluene. Toluene, you know this such type of ring is known as a toluene. Now to see next. I write a benzene ring and I substitute some element here and here and here. You see here CH2Cl. Now H is decreased and halogen element, chlorine element is increased. Now you know these such types of ring are present. You know that this benzyl, benzyl, benzo. Now we cut. I cut this and this and this. So you know when a carbon is attached to two hydrogen and any type of element is attached here, so you write in a common name benzyl and here benzyl, benzo. Now we use Cl, then the name of this is benzyl chloride and this is benzyl and di दो है ना, टू, so we write dichloride and here is benzo trichloride. Now come to IUPAC name. So we count carbon here, one number and two number. So one number is chloro and one number is phenyl and he is methane. So IUPAC name of this compound is 1 chloro, one number is put one number and 1 chloro, 1 phenyl and methane. And here number given to this carbon, one number goes to chlorine and this chlorine also. So we write 1,1 dichloro, 1 phenyl methane, and here one number is also attached to 3 chlorine, so 1,1,1 trichloro, 1 phenyl methane. So you know that benzyl, benzyl, benzo and how to write IUPAC name of such types of compound. I already teach you how to write IUPAC name. So first of all you select numbering 1 2 3 4. So you given a number of functional group 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now we use this ring as a toluene, so you use in IUPAC name 1 chloro, 2 number goes to phenyl, 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene, 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene. Now we use a toluene 1 chloro toluene. So both are correct. If you write 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene or 1 chloro toluene, both are correct. When we write IUPAC name, so we use toluene, so the ortho position goes to chlorine, ortho chloro toluene. Now come to this one. Now I already teach you CH2 and a substituent is attached here, so is a benzyl. Now common name of such type of compound is benzyl chloride and IUPAC name is one number goes to this one and 2 number goes to this one too. So we write IUPAC name 1 chloro 2 phenyl methane, 1 chloro 2 phenyl methane. So you know how to write IUPAC name chlorophenyl methane and 1 chloro 2 phenyl methane. Both are correct. Hello, class 12th student. Today I teach you resonance. Most of the student confuse about this topic resonance. Now I am very smoothly teach you how to write resonance structure. So today I draw resonance structure of phenol. So let us see how to make a resonance structure. You know this is a phenol and oxygen has 6 electrons in outermost, that is valency of oxygen is 6. So we write in a electron form. You know that in a resonance electron is rotate to top to bottom and finally got its home position. So we move oxygen's one lone pair around this structure. So we write first in a electron structure form of phenol. So I write oxygen has 6 electrons in outermost shell, so its valency 6. So I write 1 2 3 4 5, 1 electron is attached to this one and 1 electron, to total number of electron valency of oxygen 6. So I rotate this one. Now what is the procedure to rotate this? So I make a rule 1 2 3. Now first this electron goes to 1 2 3 here and 1 2 3 here, 1 2 3 here and 1 2 3, and last goes to its home position. Now we draw a resonance structure. First we write a double headed arrow. So you know double headed arrow is used for a resonance structure. So we rotate this, so this electron is comes to this one, and here for stability a double bond break and goes to this side. So movement of electron, main topic, main part of resonance is movement of electron. So I move this electron to here. Now here got a double bond, and for stability this double bond goes to as a electron pair to here, and now minus charge comes here, and now further we goes other next step. So we write next resonance structure. So you see electrons comes to here. Now it is double bond, and here is a plus charge electron donor. So here is a plus charge and here is a minus charge, and stability already maintained. Now come to next. Double headed arrow denotes resonance structure, and now we rotate this electron. This electron comes to here, and this bond break and goes to there. Now I already told you 1 2 3 rule. So electron 1 2 3 here minus charge, now come to 1 2 3 here. So in the next step this pair of electron goes to here, and further 1 2 3 goes to here, and final 1 2 3 goes to here. So we write all the structure of phenols. So now we write, you see this electron jumps to here, 1 2 3 position, and bond change, stability is maintained. Now further this electron goes to 1 2 3. So we write next resonance structure. So you see here how to write resonance structure. It's very easy to remember that 1 2 3 rule to rotate a electron, and you already know about how to electron move, and how to stability of carbon maintained. If you have any problem regarding resonance, you want to make further other videos, other compounds, to briefly know about resonance, so please comment and like my videos and share my videos to your friends. Thank you.